become slime, first we need some gum, some glitter, it is your option, some water and some homemade activator. So now first let's take a bowl. Okay. So let's take a bowl, let's keep it aside in a row. 1, 2, 3. So I'm taking row first. We have to put the wow, a bubble. Put all the gum from the bottle. So I'm going to pour some water, shake it and pour it in. Okay. So that the glue is rested and more slime will come. So I'm adding a little bucket, a toy little bucket and that. I think I had already added this much is okay, I think. We have to shake it. Wow. Wow. Now see the bubbles. Now I'll pour it through. See how it is. See. If you add some water, it will come like this only. We have to. So I had already added some water in this. Okay. I will keep something in this. Okay. I will keep it if you don't want to keep it. Now we have to mix it here. If you want to add some color, you can add in this stage. But I want a glossy, transparent slime.
No.
How beautiful the color is. So in this stage, let's add the homemade activator. So if you want to know about how I had made this homemade activator, I will put the description. I will put the link in the description box and you can click and see how I make it. You can click on that and check it. So I will open this bottle and this bottle cap I will pour some. Now we have to mix it well. See, it is coming. Wow, it is coming. I think I need to mix it well. I will keep it here. Now our glossy slime is ready. See how transparent and glossy it is. glittery stones. Wow, beautiful color. I love this color and how big slime it is coming because I had so much water. It is not sticking. Little bit it is sticking. Okay. So now let's put some stones in this stage. It will be better, I